Removing a background from a photo in Canva is super simple. Let me walk you through it. The background remover is a Canva Pro feature. If you're not on Pro yet, you can sign up and try it out with the free trial. With your design space open, drag a photo over. You can either upload your own photo or choose one from the Canva Photos library by clicking on the Apps button on the left side toolbar. Scroll down and find the Photo button to choose an image. Once your photo is on the canvas, go to the top toolbar here and click Edit, which opens Canva's Image tab. Here you will see Magic Studio. The first box is Background Remover. Make sure your photo is selected and highlighted, and then click on the Background Remover button. When you click on Background Remover, Canva will get to work right away, automatically removing the background from your image. It usually only takes a few seconds, depending on the image size. Once the background is gone, you'll be left with the main subject and a transparent background. If it looks like your image has a white background, don't worry. That's just the default color of the canvas. Your image is still transparent. If parts of the background didn't come off quite right, you can fix them using the Erase tool to manually remove any stubborn spots on the image. If something got erased by mistake, just use the Restore tool to bring back the areas you want to keep. Adjust the brush size using the slider to make it larger or smaller for both the Eraser and Restore tools. If you need a fresh start, just hit the Reset Tools button to go back to square one. Make sure to save your image as a PNG with a transparent background to keep that clean, professional look. The background remover is super effective and one of the most popular tools in Canva for good reason. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see why it's a fan favorite, and probably one of yours too. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.